अस्सलाम वालेकुम फ्रेंड, उम्मीद करती हूँ आप सब खैरियत से होंगे। आज मैं आपको बताऊंगी बूस्ट योर प्रोडक्टिविटी 5 मस्ट ट्राई ऐप फॉर इफेशिएंसी के बारे में। Help yourself get a productivity boost with these 5 must-have apps. We have researched and handpicked 5 top productivity apps to help you achieve your goals and get things done efficiently. Productivity is a personal journey, and finding the right tools and strategies that work for you can make a world of difference. While there is an abundance of advice and countless productivity app available, it's crucial to identify your specific needs to work style to whether you struggle with focus, effective communication, or organizing tasks. We have done the research to help you narrow down the option. Here are 5 top notch productivity apps that address a different need and you can supercharge your efficiency. Number 1, Streak Master Your Habit. Streak follow the popular don't break the chain method to track your progress toward goals and establish new habits. Its simple layout and appealing graphic make it effortless to use, ideal for self-motivated individuals seeking reminder and visual affirmation. Streak keeps you inspired with the welcome interference and insightful graphs. Number 2, Day 1 Journal. Elevate your journaling experience. Day 1 Journal is the ultimate choice for journaling with a sleek and beautiful design across iPhone, iPad, and Mac. It intakes you to make journaling a habit. The app user-friendly interface allows for quick completion of tasks. Moreover, Day 1 offer impressive security features including Face ID, Touch ID, or a password ensuring your entire remain confidential. Say goodbye to crime. Carrying around a cumbersome paper to notebook. Number 3, Evernote, your versatile productivity companion, hailed as the world's most widely used productivity app. Evernote is the go-to app for note taking and beyond. Whether you prefer a simple note taking experience or a customized DTD, getting things done about Evernote has you covered. It enables you to organize your files, collect online snips, and take notes from virtually anywhere. The intuitive organizational structure based on books, and notebook stack simplifies your workflow. Number 4, Pocket Save and Enjoy. Contact at your convenience. Pocket revolutionizes the way you have article, video, and link for later consumption. Designed for casual reader, Pocket make it effortless to save and access content. It focuses on social sharing and robust support for embedded multimedia. Distinguishes it from competitor with a cutting-edge tagging system. You can organize your saved items into multiple groups, ensuring easy retrieval and organization. Number 5, Signic Me. Share and manage your calls. Signic Me is a comprehensive call blocking software suitable for SME, startup business, and agencies. It consolidates essential car-related features into one powerful app with a call identifier and an automatic spam list. You can protect your phone from unwanted calls. Signic Me identifies unknown call, alerts you to annoying spam call, and even adds caller picture from popular social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, and Google Plus to your contacts. Explore these 5 productivity apps tailored to address your unique needs, from habit building and journaling to note taking and call management. They will empower you to accomplish more effectively and stay organized, take control of your productivity, and make your work life more effective. With these indispensable tools, follow HT Touch for the latest tech news and reviews. Also, keeps up with us on Twitter, Facebook, Google News, and Instagram for our latest videos. Subscribe to your channel, YouTube channel, Tags app, Amazon Sale Prime Day. Next article begins. NASA astronomy picture of the day, 18 May 2023. Breathtaking WR134 ring nebula. We have seen several stunning images of celestial objects in the last few days as part of NASA astronomy picture of the day, which the space agency is publishing on a daily basis. Some of these celestial objects include nebulae, which are giant clouds of dust and gas in space. Some nebulae originate from the gas and dust thrown out by the explosion of a dying star, while other nebulae are star-forming regions. Although most of the nebulae are located millions of light years away, NASA is able to capture them with the help of its Spitzer Space Telescope, Hubble Space Telescope, and the new James Webb Space Telescope. Today, NASA's astronomy picture of the day is a breathtaking snapshot of the WR134 ring nebula, located about 6,000 light-years of Earth towards the constellation Cageanius. At the center of the nebula is the Wolf-Rayet star WR134, named after French astronomers Charles Wolf and Julius Rayet. According to NASA, these stars are particularly intriguing because they are about 100 times as massive as our sun, a million times more luminous, and with 30 times the surface temperature. NASA description of the picture made with narrow band filters. This cosmic snapshots covers a field of view about the size of the full moon within the boundaries of the constellation Cageanius. It highlights the bright edges of a ring-like nebula tracked by the glow of ionized sulfur, hydrogen, and oxygen gas embedding in the region. Interstellar clouds of the gas and dust. The complex glowing arcs are sections of bubbles or shells of material swept up by the wind from Wolf-Rayet star WR134 brightness star near the center of the flame. A distant estimate put W134 about 6,000 light years away, making the frame over 50 light years across, shading the outer envelopes is in powerful stellar winds. Massive Wolf-Rayet stars have burned throughout the nuclear fuel at a prodigious rate, and this financial phase of massive star evolution in a spectacular supernova explosion. The stellar winds and final supernova enrich the interstellar material with heavy elements to be incorporated in future generation of stars. Follow HG Touch for the latest touch news and reviews. Also keep up with us on Twitter, Facebook, Google News, and Instagram for our latest videos. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Amazon unveils new gadget as AI race heats up. Amazon releases an updated slate of eco device and plugin to bring ChatGPT style efficient intelligent to Alexa powered gadgets. Amazon introduced as updated slate of Inco device as plenty to bring ChatGPT style artificial intelligence to Alexa powered gadgets. For more than a year, the digital assistant has been using a home built set of large language model of the foundational networks that enable ChatGPT and rival technologies to help summarize text gathered from the web and make Alexa more conversant in various languages. Dave Lamb, Amazon Senior Vice President of Devices and Service, said in an interview, new more conventions capabilities will roll out incrementally. He said it's not a year away, but there are some things that we have to solve. Amazon on Wednesday announced for updated Alexa device, the Echo Pop, which takes the company's special fabric-covered Echo Dot smart speaker and slices it in half. The semi-spiral device, which sells for 40, comes with technology borrowed from Amazon Aero routers, secondary that and extend the range of home Wi-Fi. A revamped Echo Show 5 which pairs Alexa with 5-inch screen. Amazon says the 19 speaker is 20% faster than the previous generation and has a clearer sound. An updated edition of the Echo Show 5 Kids comes with a year of Amazon Kids subscription with age-appropriate audiobooks, video, and game. It will sell for 100. A new version of Amazon Echo Buds loses the noise-cancelling features of previous edition, but at 50 comes in at latest than half the price. The Buds lets users listen to music and summon Alexa on the go. The company also said more than 500 million Alexa-powered devices have been sold by Amazon and other companies. The majority of those are Echo speakers and Fire TV streaming sticks and television lamp set. The company devices are in hundreds of millions of homes, he said. Amazon doesn't break out quarterly or annual sales of its devices, though Limp said Alexa usage was up 35% of the previous year and that shopping via the assistant increased 40%. Still, analytics and technology executives say interest in the digital assistant has plateaued as users reach the limit of its capability or give up trying new things. The software is adept at setting a timer and reading out news updates but can struggle with complicated queries of conversational tasks. Those limitations have become more obvious in recent months with the use of chatbot like OpenAI ChatGPT, which can pull off credible if something error-prone limitation of human interaction. Microsoft and Alpha Inc. Google are already incorporating generative AI into their search engines and other products, putting pressure on Amazon to make Alexa more conversational.